What's up, guys? It's my trade recap for February 6th, 2025. So coming into today on market open, I saw that we're in a downtrend on the 4 hour, and I had a bearish bias coming into today. However, what I've been, what I really learned recently is that I can't really stick to my bias as much. I have to watch order flow to see how price is delivering. I can't really be married to my bias. So that's something I added in my mental that I just wanted to note for my journal, that don't stick to your bias. Look at order flow to see how price is moving and react off of it instead of being married to your bias. But however, today was a bearish bias and I took sales today. So I saw that we're in a downtrend on the 4 hour chart. I went onto my hourly chart. I saw that we had coming into market open at 9 o'clock. I saw that we were still in a downtrend. We didn't close above these highs. I was expecting price to take out these lows right here, really this low. I went onto my 5 minute chart and let's just look how I took this trade today. So on my 5 minute chart, I saw that we're in a downtrend as well. I saw that we had this low right over here and it got swept out. And once it got swept, I saw that price created this order block right here. What is the order block? We saw that price swept out some liquidity and we broke structure to the upside and then we broke structure again. So an order block is basically when price sweeps liquidity, it's the move up in this case. So price sweep liquidity going down, it's the move up. And then to confirm that it is order block, price have to break structure. So we saw that price break structure. So this was the order block right here, this move up. We saw that it broke these highs and that's the order block. So I had my order block right here. I decided I was going to put my stop above these highs in the order block. Probably put my stop too much, but this is just to be safe. It's a 4 pip stop loss. So what I actually did to take this trade though, I saw the order block. I was waiting for price to close below the order block for me to enter as an official trade, but I actually got a better entry where I used this fair value gap. So this is a fair value gap right here. I saw that price made a bearish fair value gap and I was saying if price touches into the fair value gap and it gets respected, I would enter. So I saw it did that on this candle and I was just looking at order flow, to be honest. So as I just marked out everything, every confluence that I saw being made, and I thought once it got respected, that's like confirmation to me that I need to stick to the bias. So I saw the order block right here. I saw price came up, pushed above it, price broke these highs again until breaking structure down here. We saw that price created the fair value gap right here. I entered on this candle. I believe I entered on this candle a little bit before my macro, but again, I'm just looking at order flow and how price is delivering. So normally I would wait until 9:50, but I didn't wait until 9:50 this time because I was just looking at the order flow of how price is delivering. So I saw the fair value gap get almost hit this time and it got hit this time and I got my entry around right here. So where I got filled. Once I entered, I put my take profit at, this was my first take profit actually. These lows right here, these were London session lows. And my second take profit were these Asian session lows as well. And I had a third final take profit that I wanted to get hit, but I actually set my take profit on my MetaTrader to take me out at right here, which is still a good risk reward, but it's a 4 hour. It's actually 3 hour because I took partials, but I wanted this take profit as well, which would give it like a We should give it a 5.7 hour. We should probably have a 5 hour trade, but actually got taken out because I put my take profit right here. But I wanted these ones as well. So I wanted these ones as well, and it looked like it going to get hit, but these were like New York lows. There's some lows that was made in New York on Tuesday, and this is where I'm expecting price to reverse off this bullish fair value gap. So if I had more positions, I would have probably extend my take profit here, and that'll be my final take profit for today. But this was my trade recap for today. Today's a good trade. What I really implemented though in my mentality that I'm going to believe help me go forward in these market conditions. I have to look at order flow and see what is getting respected and what's not getting respected, because if I was bearish today and I saw that the order was getting closed above and my fair value gaps getting invalidated, but I still wanted to protect it don't make any sense. So I have to follow what is getting validated and what's getting invalidated, and I saw multiple confluences getting made and getting validated. So this was confluence to me, and that's why I have so much optimism that price going to hit this take profit, because there's so much resistance above it. Like price have to close above this fair value gap, 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 for it to really go against my bias, and that's a lot of resistance. So this was my trade recap for today. I actually risked my minimum leverage today, but I still made a good amount, so I was happy about this trade. So this is my trade recap for today, February 6th, 2025.